This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by this amazing pool home in Amelia Walk, Julington. Floorplan, West/bonus, features 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths and a flex space. It has a screened-in, resort-style, heated saltwater pool with a hot tub and an oversized patio. The generously sized primary bedroom and bath is located on the first floor and also has an oversized custom closet leading directly into the laundry room that was thoughtfully designed. Other unique features include a very large upstairs bonus room, bedroom and full bath. Custom closet organizers throughout. This home has privacy on a preserve lot. All bedrooms have spacious walk-in closets. This home features a gourmet kitchen with upgraded Cafe G appliances, an induction glass cooktop, quartz countertops, wood-look LVP flooring, and 8 doors throughout. Amenities include community room, zero-entry pool, full fitness center, tennis court and playground. For more information, review the details below or contact at 904-261-9311.